Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw isometric projection of a square prism of side 40 mm, base edge and 60 mm axis resting on its face on HP. So this is very important, resting on its face on HP and keeping its base perpendicular to VP. So this is a square prism. So what they mean, this is face. So it is resting on its face on horizontal plane, and they have said its base are perpendicular to VP. So what we will do, we will draw square prism like this. Now if you see in this, it is resting on its face, right? And base. So this is base. This part is base. There are two bases. One is ahead, one is behind. So both are perpendicular to VP. So this is HP VP. This is direction X from where observer is watching. So what we need to do, same standard procedure. First we will draw isometric scale. Make sure you draw it properly with all the labelings and all. So you draw 30 degree, then you draw 45 degree. Then we have to mark 60. So we'll mark 0 to 50 and 10. That's what we required. We'll draw vertical line. So we'll get isometric length. Then again we'll draw a helping figure, that is square. So this is 60 and this is 40. We'll take 40 and we'll cut. And from here we'll draw a vertical line, and from here we'll draw a horizontal line. So we got a helping figure which is square. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is OM. And this is M and N when we need to transfer axis. That time we required MN. So always remember, whenever I'll be drawing any isometric projection, I'll be drawing box 1, 2, 3, 4 and axis M and N. I'm going to keep this constant so you will be able to recollect it. So now this is point 2. Now we'll take 2 to 1, 2 to 3 and 2 to 1 will cut. Then we'll draw a vertical line and one more line like this. Now we take this behind. How much you will take this behind? According to axis, the axis is 60. So we'll take 60 and we'll cut here. After drawing this, we'll mark M and N. One to M, the distance M, and then vertical line, and on that we'll mark N, distance N. So this is O, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to take this point O behind. This is direction of viewing. O, 30 degree. Remember that direction of viewing as it is at an angle of 30 degree. From here we'll take axis behind from O. How much it would be? 60. So we'll take the distance. Remember, we are doing isometric projection, so all dimensions will be less than the original distance. That you should keep in mind. Now this is OM. We can mark axis like this. So this is how you will get. You can mark axis. O to M you can show. You can mark dimension, that is 60-40. And then you can write isometric projection in guideline. Always remember, in engineering graphic or engineering drawing or in technical drawing, whenever you write anything on paper, it should be always capital, and it will be in guideline like this. So we'll write isometric projection. Thank you. Now there is one more thing, that whenever you see such kind of sum, right? So over there we can write when axis is parallel to HP and VP. This condition also is correct. If you see this axis is parallel to HP as well as VP. Thank you.